How to deactivate Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to deactivate your Facebook account. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app and make sure that you are logged in to your Facebook account. Now tap on the menu icon shown on the top right corner. From there, simply scroll down and tap on Settings under Settings and Privacy. And at the top of Settings menu, you will see Account Center. Simply tap on it. Once you are in the Account Center, simply scroll down and tap on Personal Details. And under the Personal Details, simply tap on Account Ownership and Control. And you will be prompted to the page where you will find the option for deactivation and deletion. Simply tap on that and you will need to choose which account you want to deactivate. Simply select the account and choose whether you want to deactivate or delete it. And I will go with the deactivation. So you will see that option and tap on continue. Now you will be prompted to the page where you need to enter your password and simply tap on continue. Then you will enter the page where you need to provide a reason for deactivating your account. Simply select the reason and after that Facebook may show you some additional information. If you are certain about deactivating, just scroll down and tap on deactivate. And after that your account will be deactivated. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.